Today, I'm going to show you how I fixed the hissing sound in one of my AirPods. When I took them to Apple Care, they told me there's no repair option, only a replacement for the faulty AirPod. So, I decided to try a few things myself, and surprisingly, it worked. Here's what I did. Connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth settings, tap the icon next to your connected AirPods. Put both AirPods in your ears. Open the control center, and under noise control, you'll see three options. Noise cancellation, transparency, off. In my case, the left AirPod was making the hissing sound whenever noise cancellation or transparency was turned on. To fix it, I selected off under noise control, and the hissing stopped. Just a heads up, this only works when both AirPods are used together. If you use only one, the hissing might still occur. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Good luck.